I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here I'm just going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to also do a try on so that you guys can see how this item looks. And this is something that I've been wanting to buy probably for a couple of years now, but I just did not want to spend this kind of money on this item. But with Louis Vuitton continuing to go up on their prices, I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it, and I'm glad that I did because I really do love this item. Okay, so before we go ahead and get into the unboxing, if you guys love luxury goods as much as I do, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, so here's the box right here. We already know how Louis Vuitton boxes come, and I have already opened this item up and, you know, just saw how it looked and made sure that I wanted to keep it. So let's go ahead and open it right up. So of course, when you open it up, you have your cute little dust bag. And of course, you have your paperwork and your tags and everything. And here is the item. Okay guys, I wanted to just do a close-up of these earrings because the camera was not doing them any justice. But as you see, these are the Louise gold hoops, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I definitely want to go ahead and get up close and personal and show you guys how they look. And let's move forward with the review and my thoughts on these earrings. Okay guys, so as you see, these hoops right here are gorgeous. They are gorgeous, okay? And they are not too heavy or anything like that. They have some weight on them. They don't feel flimsy or anything. And the little clasp right here is definitely very sturdy. You can, you know, put it in there and it just sits inside of there. It doesn't seem like something that would break over time or anything like that. So let me go ahead and try these on for you guys. These earrings retail for $680, and that is a lot of money for some earrings. But I mean, I wanted them, so I went ahead and got them. So let's go ahead and show you guys how they look on. You know, there's pros and cons to these earrings. Unfortunately, these earrings are not real gold, which is absolutely ridiculous for the price. But I mean, like I said, I wanted them. You can get these cleaned if they do get tarnished. Now, I do have a Louis Vuitton bracelet that I've had for a little over a year now, or maybe about a year now. I don't wear this bracelet often, but I do keep it in the dust bag and I keep it in the box, and I'm not getting any tarnishing or anything on the gold tone hardware here on this bracelet. And so I believe that the earrings are made out of the same, you know, gold tone. So it should definitely last a while before it starts tarnishing. And if it does, you can take them and have them cleaned, and you can do that over and over and keep them nice and shiny and looking good. Would I say that these are overpriced? Absolutely, they're overpriced. I mean, most of Louis Vuitton stuff is overpriced, but I mean, you know, at the end of the day, you're gonna pay for what you want to pay for, and I'm just gonna make sure that I get my wear out of them. Okay, so yeah, they look really good. They're not flimsy, they're not cheap looking. The quality is there, even though these are not 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold or whatever the case may be. The quality is still there, and to be honest, I've had other earrings that were real gold and they did not even feel like they were as good as quality as these are. So that's just, you know, that's just my honest opinion. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are interested in these, if you've been looking at them, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and get them, because they're going to continue to go up as time passes, and you definitely want to make sure that, you know, they're not getting too expensive, because they're already like $700 after taxes. So, you know, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and get them, but I'm quite pleased with them. I think that they're lovely. Like I said, they're not heavy. They're not too heavy. They're not too light. They don't hurt your ears. They haven't broken me out or anything like that. So there will be a link to these earrings in the description bar if you guys are interested. And you guys know, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.